What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the page. We want to be the first to wish everybody a very happy and safe 4th of July. In order to help celebrate America's birthday, we thought it would be perfectly fitting to knock out a really cool pair of USA-inspired Roshes. This entire video is really going to be based on a transformation, as we're going to be taking a really old, worn pair of shoes from one of our clients that he wanted us to revamp for him. So since these were an all-white pair of Roshes, they went through your average daily wear and tear. And just like any pair of white shoes, they get dirty super easily. So giving these a whole new facelift is going to make our client basically feel like he's getting a brand new pair of shoes from us. So since we're not starting with a brand new pair fresh out of the box, we're just going to go through some of the basic cleaning techniques that you should definitely do if you're going to take an old pair of shoes and knock out a custom. So we're going to be using some of Angelus's Easy Cleaner along with their premium sneaker cleaning brush. This is a really great product for just getting rid of some of that typical dirt and grime that builds up on shoes over time. We're not really going for a full restoration here to make these look brand new again. We're just really trying to give these a quick cleaning so that we can go ahead and throw some paint on top. So since these are a Roshe sole, I'm actually going to go ahead and take some cotton balls along with some acetone, and that's going to remove a lot of the dirt from the soles, a lot of the stuff that doesn't come off with the cleaners and whatnot. This is really going to help give it some of that deep cleaning and really try to get you one step closer to having a nice clean white sole again. So I love the Nike Roshes. They're one of my favorite canvas to work on. I've done so many designs with these over the years, and one little trick that I've picked up on over time is in order to get your colors to really pop on top of this white mesh, one thing that I do is actually lay down 1 to 2 coats of white paint first. When you're painting the mesh on these, you definitely want to make sure that you're using some Angelus Too Soft. That's really going to go a long way in helping keep these very soft over time. You definitely want to make sure that you keep your coats super thin just so that you don't get any buildup in between the fibers of the mesh. The painting white may seem a little redundant, but it definitely goes a long way in getting your colors to pop and be really vibrant on top of this white mesh of the Roshes. After that, we're just about ready to get into our taping, and I'm going to tape off this entire sole just so that we can keep it nice and covered for the end. So since we're doing a classic USA theme, I'm definitely going to try to build off the stars and stripe mantra. I'm going to take the entire front half of our shoe and turn that into some red and white tiger stripe, and then I'm going to fade that directly into a nice deep blue star print. Then I'm going to hit these with a nice gold swoosh that's really going to pop right off the shoe and totally complement the design. And then our client's main request was for the back heel of one shoe to say Land of the Free, and for the other one to say Home of the Brave. We're going to do that in a gold too, and that's really going to pop off up against this dark blue star print. And then one of the final decisions we have to make is what lace color we want to do. So of course I narrowed it down to the classic red, white, or blue options. Ultimately we ended up with the red. We thought that fit really well on these. It complemented their nice red outline around the gold swoosh too. Now we're going to go ahead and dive into some before and after so you guys can really see the difference of what we were able to accomplish here. Alright, so that's a wrap on today's video. We really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this before and after on what you guys could possibly do by revamping an old pair of shoes. We're definitely pleased with the result of how these came out, and we know our clients absolutely going to love them, and it's definitely going to have that new shoe feel to them because these came a long way. Again, we want to wish everybody a very happy and safe 4th of July. Be sure to enjoy it with your friends and family. If you guys enjoyed today's video and kind of were feeling this style of video where we took an old pair of shoes and revamped them, just go ahead and let us know. This is a fun video for us to make. It's really cool seeing shoes come a long way like they did in this situation. So go ahead and give this video a like if you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you're subscribed to the page, and we will see you guys in the next one.